Hello dear students, welcome back to Northeast Skill Center online classes. Myself Namami Chankakati, your course trainer from Hospitality Operations Housekeeping, and today I will be discussing on the topic Prepare Guest Room for Cleaning from Unit 3 Order of Room Cleaning of Co-Module Basic Housekeeping Operations. So let's begin. The lesson objective for today's session is at the end of the lesson, you all should be able to explain the procedures to follow before cleaning a guest room. Different hotels have different features in their guest rooms that makes their rooms unique and require special cleaning procedures and chemicals. I hope you all remember in my last class I talked about standard operating procedures, that is SOP. So for everything in housekeeping, especially while cleaning a guest room, we need to follow the SOPs for particular task. So these will ensure efficiency and safety for the employees as well as the guest. However, almost all hotel rooms can be separated into two areas which have basic cleaning procedures. Those two areas are the bedroom and the bathroom. So dear students, now I will be discussing the steps and procedures of cleaning a guest room step by step. So we have separated the basic guest room cleaning procedures into 6 categories. Those categories are from starting to finish. Number 1, entering the guest room, which is already covered in my last class. Then today I will be discussing about the cleaning preparation. Remove all trash and linen. And subsequently in my next classes I will be covering the other topics, that is making the bed, cleaning bathroom, wipe down and dusting, vacuuming and leaving the guest room ready for inspection. The efforts of housekeeping speaks for themselves. The result of sincere as well as hardworking housekeepers' efforts are noticeable. The housekeeping staff needs to execute cleaning and maintenance tasks at various places inside the hotel. And the most important task is cleaning and maintaining guest rooms and guest bathrooms. And the guest also assesses the cleanliness of these two areas critically. So students, now we will see how will you clean the guest room step by step. So first thing, you have to start by removing room service equipment from room. That means you have to pick up all room service equipment and move it into the floor pantry. Move the room service cart, that is trolley, to the floor pantry. Then you have to inform the room service or the IRD department to clear the trays and trolleys from guest room or floor pantry. Then never place the room service trays or trolleys on the guest corridor or the service elevator. So now let's discuss what are the points to remember while removing trash or rubbish. First point, collect recycled items such as newspapers, aluminum cans, glass bottles, newspaper bags, etc. and place them either in the bag or on the floor pantry. Next, empty the waste paper basket and ashtray onto the garbage bag. Third point, pick up all the rubbish and put it in the rubbish bag. And fourth point, all rubbish removed from room upon entering that room and placed in rubbish bag on trolley. Extra care should be taken with broken glasses, razors, etc. for the safety purpose of the room attendant, guests and other people also. Remove all disposable items like ash, cigarette butts, etc. into the dustbin. Then keep ashtrays and glassware under wash basin tap to wash. Then with lukewarm water, clean the ashtrays and glassware with the help of sponge. Then wash liberally with water and then wipe with a lint-free cloth. And at last, after drying, place back the items in the appropriate place. Ashtrays and glassware are to be spotlessly clean, and that is only possible when the room attendant is using a lint-free cloth or with a cotton duster. Use a dry tissue to collect hair from the vanity, toilet, bathtub and floor. Then do not throw away any guest property that may be wrapped in a tissue. And then clean the ashtrays and glassware and place them back into their original position. So dear students, now we will discuss about the different steps. How will you empty the dirty linen? So first step, remove any guest clothing from the bed and neatly lay it across the back of the chair. If there is any personal item on the bed, then remove them and place it neatly on the table. Say for example laptop, mobiles, chain or any jewelries. So if it's a departure dirty room, then if you find any guest items and record the same as lost and found item. Then remove all dirty linen from the room and put everything in the space provided for storage in the chambermaid trolley, for soiled linen in the room attendant trolley. When the dirty linen is at level with the top of the trolley, then empty the linen and collect in the pantry. All the dirty linen removed from room and put it in the linen bag in the trolley. Then do not use any guest linen and towels for cleaning the guest rooms. So dear students, this was from today's session. I hope the video is clear to you all to understand the steps and the procedures to follow before cleaning the guest room. That means the preparation. I request everyone to go through the video once again so that the topic is clear to you all. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video and have a great day.